JJ.A.C Tech Channel. TP-Link VIGI. TP-Link VIGI 8-channel and 16-channel network video recorder. Unboxing. 24/7 continuous recording. Stores up to 10 terabytes of footage from connected cameras to secure your data for quick, convenient access. Real-time live view. Sharp image definition up to 8 MP ensures you capture every detail from every angle. Quick lookup and playback. Find the target footage easily by date, event types, and tags. Replay with variable playback speeds to quickly review footage. Remote monitoring. A dedicated VIGI app is developed for remote monitoring, providing ease and convenience. H.265+, without using any extra bandwidth. Your camera transmits compressed, crystal clear video to save disk space, ease network loads, and reduce monitoring costs without sacrificing image quality. OnVIF ensure compatibility. Thanks to barrier-free compatibility, you can easily add IP cameras from VIGI and other brands to create a powerful and diverse network. One HDD interface supports up to 10 terabytes on a SATA hard drive, ensuring local data security. Two-way audio, with voice intercom support. You can carry on two-way conversations while watching your feed from anywhere, suitable for management. Smart, secure and easy. Remember to subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching.